Hi, Steve here. Thanks for dropping by. Today I want to talk to you about Facebook and Google and how Facebook and Google and Betfair are all interrelated. These two companies here don't rely on videos with fluffy kittens to make their money. What they both rely on is data. Data is the new cash for the modern era. Data will give you as much cash as you want. And data is what Google and Facebook are about. We've seen recently Cambridge Analytica go broke after misusing data, and the misuse of data flows into any punter that uses Betfair, because Betfair are, believe it or not, a computer company, and they give you the data feedback on what your betting activity's been. But the problem with it is the data comes back to you in a form that is very, very hard to work out and to get a clear picture on what that data is telling you. Most people see the data as a report on where the money has gone or come in from. But data really should be your research tool. It should be, where do you have to change the way that you are betting to make more money? And that is what Betfair Account Analyzer does. It turns the data, which is really in a foreign language to you, and puts it into plain speak so that you can see in a graph. You can filter it with the click of a button here, click of a button there, and it will show you what bets or what area of your betting is not profitable for you to keep doing. If you're doing football, you may see in the correct score that you are losing more money than you know what to do with. But when you look at the data from Betfair, yes, you can see you're losing some money, but you can't pinpoint where. Or when you have a great day, if you took out some of those losing strategies that have been losing you money right from the very start, but the data doesn't show you that. But with Betfair Account Analyzer, it will show you. You can say, for example, how do I go at Wolverhampton, and push a button and you can see Wolverhampton. How do I go at Wolverhampton if I took out all the handicap races? And see immediately how much more profit you could get into your Betfair account. So Betfair Analyzer turns the data into something that you can understand. And that is what below in this page I'm trying to tell you and show you, that it's not complicated. In 10 seconds you can download the data that Betfair give you on your account and your bet history. You can download it, drop it straight into our Betfair Analyzer spreadsheet, and then you've got the converter of turning data into figures that really mean something for you and the way that you can go forward with your betting. So please take a moment to watch the videos below and see what Betfair Account Analyzer can do for you. On behalf of Michael and myself, Steve, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you get involved in the other videos below, because it really does show you how you can turn something that looks like a foreign language into something that you can really relate to. Thank you.